In this video, I'll show you how to add a Facebook chat to your Wix website. It's gonna be completely free of charge without any credit card needed. And to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow. So do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are a few different templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding. And even see how different features work by clicking around the widget. And here is how the widget looks like on the website. So without further ado, let's get started. Now if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. And that's gonna bring you to this website where you are gonna go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, go over the chat section, and right down here you'll see Facebook chat. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. To make a Facebook chat for your Facebook page, you need to connect the widget with the Facebook account that manages the page. You can do it by clicking this connect to Facebook button. After that, you have to sign up or log into your Facebook account, then click continue as that account. And it will be connected automatically. Then you can click on this arrow to choose the Facebook page that you want to use for this chat widget. Once you've done that, you can move on to the content tab to customize your Facebook chat. There are 4 parts that you can edit here. The first one is the chat bubble. Here you can choose an icon from the library or upload from your computer and add some text if you want to. The second part is the chat window. Here you can choose whether you want to show info from your Facebook page or manually set a picture and a name. You can also add a caption, which you can choose from these options. I'll choose to show info from my Facebook page. The third part is the welcome message to greet the customers or visitors of your website when they open the chat. And the last one is the start chat button. Here you can edit the text and decide whether to show or hide the icon by using this switch. After setting up the content, let's continue to the settings tab. Here you can choose the positions of the widget, either floating on the screen like this or embedded into the page like this. Then you can go to the chat display settings to manage when the chat appears depending on the page, device, visitors, or date and time. In the open chat triggers, you can set what kind of behaviors or actions that will automatically open this chat window. And you can set the notifications here. Lastly, you can go to the Appearance tab to style your widget by choosing the font, the colors, enable animation, and change the corner radius of the Start Chat button. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight. Once you've done that, you should end up on the similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on this green Publish button. And now you're on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking this gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. To add the Facebook chat widget, just click Add Elements. Go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds, and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the Elfsight code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-clicking your mouse, then choose Paste, and click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of this widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. Then move it to the position that you want. Since this is a floating widget, we need to make sure that it stays visible while we scroll. To do that, just right-click the widget and select Pin to Screen. After that, just drag these little round sliders to left or right to place the widget exactly where you want. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see how it looks like on the actual website. As you can see, the widget stays visible while we scroll. Another thing that I want to show you is how to change the font of this widget, because I think the current font doesn't really fit my website. So let's go back to the editor and add this personalized code to the widget. I'll share the code in the video description below so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl+C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse, then choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix, right-click the widget, and choose Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to add a new line, then paste the code by clicking Ctrl+V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse, then choose Paste, and click Update. Okay, now let's click this preview button again to see the changes. As you can see, the font has changed and I think it looks much better than before. And since everything is already set, we now have a Facebook chat on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.